Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our Unit 1. You see in your screen, George said, the people who get on in this world are the people who get up and look for the circumstances they want, and if they cannot find them, they make them. By reading these lines, what comes in your mind? It means George was talking about entrepreneur because this is what entrepreneurs do. They create their own future. The entrepreneur understands possible future and create the future of his or her choice. ओके entrepreneur का बेसिक रोल क्या है? वो अपने लिए फ्यूचर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. ओके दे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड टू फोरकास्ट कि फ्यूचर में क्या हो सकता है एंड दे try to create that future according to their own interest. जब हम एंटरप्रेन्योर की बात करते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में बहुत बड़ी बड़ी इमेजेस आने लगती हैं. अ बिजनेस टाइकून्स लाइक एलन मित्तल, बिल गेट. While these rich, famous and successful individuals can be the inspirational for someone, most of us would find it difficult to associate our own lives, personalities, and you can say our ability with them. हम नहीं कह सकते, ठीक है. But the fact is that virtually everybody is entrepreneur in some part of his or her life. Entrepreneur is a term of self development where constantly you are practicing to improve your performance. It is a term of self decision making. You are taking decision. And in terms of creativity, a housewife, you can say, using a waste material for making a piece of art, etc. And risk taking. Clear? Hence, everyone who exhibit the characteristics of self development, creativity, self decision making, and risk taking can be rightly called what? A person with entrepreneur trait. मीन्स उसके पास ये ट्रेट है, ये क्वालिटी है जो इंटरप्रेन्योर उसे बना सकता है. क्लियर? इट मीन्स when these traits are exhibited by a person running a business, he can rightly be called an entrepreneur. Clear, students? And the reverse is also true. A businessman who does not take risk or do not aim for self development or is not a creative and who cannot make a decision on his own cannot be rightly called an entrepreneur. It means for being an entrepreneur, you should possess all these characteristics. Clear? And in the present competitive world, अगर आपके अंदर ये skills नहीं है, self development, self decision making, creativity, or you can say risk taking, then the market competitive world will throw out you from the market. ओके तो आप मार्केट में एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं कर पाओगे, आप सर्वाइव ही नहीं कर पाओगे. ओवर अ टाइम पीरियड आप मार्केट से आउट हो जाओगे. तो अब बिजनेस में रहने के लिए, एक सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए आपके अंदर ये स्किल्स होना ज़रूरी है. और जिनके पास ये स्किल्स है, दे आर अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. क्लियर? When these traits are exhibited by a person running a business are rightly called an entrepreneur. Now, what exactly the meaning of entrepreneur? The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word that is entreprendre. It means to undertake. Those who undertake the risk of the new enterprise. An entrepreneur is a person, you can say, who has already started or is in the process of starting an enterprise. That is called a entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an innovator who bring economic development through new combination of factor of production. आप नए नए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फैक्टर प्रोडक्शन से कुछ नया इनोवेट कर रहे हैं, कुछ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. इफ यू आर मेकिंग एनी कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन, देन यू आर अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. An individual who undertake the formation of an organization for commercial purpose by recognizing the excuse me, recognizing the potential demand for a goods and services, and these by the act of an economic agent and transforming demand into supply. It means the individual जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कॉमर्शियल पर्पस से अगर आप कुछ डिमांड को क्रिएट कर रहे हो, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, and you are acting as an agent or you are transforming these demand into supply, you are considered as a entrepreneur. Peter Drucker defined an entrepreneur as one person who always search for change, who respond to it and exploit it as an opportunity. Means entrepreneur उस opportunity को exploit कर रहा है. Entrepreneur is a innovates. Okay, he try to innovate the thing. He observed that innovation is the specific tool of entrepreneur, the means by which they exploit changes as an opportunity for a different business, or you can say a different service. It is a capability, or you can say it is a capable of, he is capable of being, you can say, presented as a discipline, capable of being learned, capable of being practiced. Okay, entrepreneur need to search purposefully the sources of innovation. उसे नए नए सोर्स इनोवेशन के सर्च करने, the change that they can bring, and their symptoms that indicate opportunity for successful innovation. जब उसे symptoms मिलेंगे नए नए इनोवेशंस, उसमें क्या चेंजेस चाहिए, उससे सिम्टम्स उसे मिल रहे हैं, इंडिकेट मिल रहा है कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिसको वो इनकैश कर सकता है, तभी वो एक सक्सेसफुल इनोवेशन करेगा. एंड दे नीड टू नो एंड टू अप्लाई द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सक्सेसफुल इनोवेशन. उसे मालूम होना चाहिए कि कैसे मैं जो है सक्सेसफुली उस इनोवेशन को अप्लाई करूं ताकि आगे चल के उसे प्रॉफिट मिले. बेसिकली अगर आप देखेंगे, according to Peter Drucker, three conditions have to be fulfilled to being an entrepreneur. One is innovation is work, means it requires knowledge, it requires genuinity, it make a great demand of diligence, persistency should be there, commitment should be there. जब आप हमेशा एनवायरनमेंट को स्कैन करेंगे, ड्यू डिलीजेंसी करेंगे, थॉरो स्टडी करेंगे, तभी तो आप इनोवेशन ला पाएंगे. And to succeed, innovation must be built on their strength. And innovation always have to be close to the market. हम इनोवेशन तो ला रहे हैं मगर उसकी मार्केट में कोई डिमांड ही नहीं है, तो उसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. एंटरप्रेन्योर को उसे कैश करना है ना, उसे इकोनॉमिक टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इट मीन्स it should be close to the market, it should focus on the market, and it means it should be a market driven. Clear, students? This is the changing definition of entrepreneur. कोई एक अगर हम कहें कि प्रिसाइज डेफिनेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर की तो नहीं है. The term entrepreneur changed by the time. Like in 1755, a person who taking a risk is an entrepreneur. Then इन 1921 जो प्योर प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहा है वो इंटरप्रेन्योर है. देन इनोवेटर इज एक्ट एज ए इंटरप्रेन्योर. देन who take organization, मतलब who take action to create an organization, they are called entrepreneur. In 2008, the explanation was given by National Knowledge Commission that a professional application of knowledge, skills, competency, and of monitoring a new idea, monetizing, sorry, the new idea by an individual or a set of people by launching an enterprise, or you can say diversify from the existing one, or you can say to pursue a growth while generating wealth, employment, and social goods are known as a entrepreneur. मीन्स अगर आपने प्रोफेशनली अपनी नॉलेज स्किल्स को जो है अप्लाई किया है और आपने एक नई इंटरप्राइज लॉन्च करी है या फिर आपने सोशल सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के लिए वर्क किया है, इफ़ यू आर जनरेटिंग अ वेल्थ देन यू आर अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. क्लियर? तो बेसिकली व्हाट यू फाइंड in sum up, an entrepreneur can be defined as a person who tries to create something new, who organize production and undertake risk and handle economic uncertainty involved in enterprise. Basically, we can say, uh, in fact, the term entrepreneur means a person who are a risk bearer, who organize the thing, and who are act as an innovator. Means ये तीन characteristics जिसके पास है, they are called a entrepreneur. Hope you understand. And students, आपको पहले ही बताया गया है कि आपको हर लेक्चर के बाद उसके डिटेल नोट्स बनाने हैं, वही आपके असाइनमेंट की तरह कंसिडर होंगे. तो आज के लेक्चर के आप लोग जो अपनी कॉपी में नोट्स बनाइए और एक ही कॉपी रखिएगा जिसमें सीक्वेंस में ही डे बाय डे आपके नोट्स होने चाहिए. कभी भी आपसे मंगाए जा सकते हैं. और अगर इन केस कोई डिफ़िकल्टी है किसी टॉपिक को समझने में तो आप मुझे कॉल कर लीजिएगा. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. Tomorrow we will discuss about the characteristics of a successful entrepreneur.